Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to start off with prepping my skin. I am using the glow recipe. I will list everything down below for you guys, but yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and prime my face. I definitely use a moisturizer. Then I like to go ahead with this product from Glow, apply it onto my skin, make sure that it's really nice in there. Then I'm going to go with Milk Makeup Hydro, and I'm just going to apply this on top of that as well, just to make sure that everything is really nice and prepped for my foundation so it lasts all day. So I'm just going to go ahead and lather my skin with that. Then I'm going to go with Kat Von D's foundation, and I'm in the color 30, I believe. And I'm going to mix these glow drops just to kind of give me that glowy skin. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply this with my foundation, and I like to dab the foundation onto my skin just to kind of get that evenness. I don't know, I just really like how it looks. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. Then I'm just gonna go with a damp beauty sponge, and I'm gonna go ahead and blend that all in. And as you guys can see, I like to go a little crazy and just go in and apply all these little dots on my face. So then I'm just gonna go with my sponge and just kind of go ahead and blend that. I do like to add a little bit more foundation onto parts of my skin that I feel that needs it. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and blend everything, make sure that everything is really nice and blended. If I do need to go back and add a little bit more foundation, I definitely go ahead and do that. I do like to have a little bit more full coverage on my cheek area. I don't know why, it's just a thing that I feel like I need it. So I will definitely be adding more and then blending that out. Then I'm going with the It Cosmetics Bye Bye Dark Circle Spot, something like that. I'm going to go ahead and apply this under my eyes, and then just kind of contour, kind of highlight with that. So that's what I'm going to go ahead and do. And I don't know, I really like the formula on this product because it doesn't make my under eyes feel dry. So I like to apply this no matter what. Even if I'm not going to highlight or anything under the eyes, I like to be adding this product because it just keeps it really nice and moisturized. I don't know. So I'm just going to go ahead and blend that into the skin, just kind of taking my time with it. Definitely like doing that because I kind of like looking of how flawless a foundation is looking. So yeah, all right, then I'm gonna go with Gerard Cosmetics Slay the Bake Blurring Powder. This one is the pink one, and I'm gonna go ahead and set my under eye. Look how amazing that looks, like wow. So definitely check that out. I'll link it down below, and you can use Prettygrace for some money off. And then I'm going to go ahead and set the rest of my face with the translucent powder from Lauramercier. And I'm using the same powder puff just to kind of set everything. I usually do it with a brush, but I don't know. I saw this in a video that it just gives you a flawless finish. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and try it out. So here I am trying it out. And sorry if you guys can see my children in the back, but yeah. So then I'm going with the Lauramercier blush. I'll list it down below. I feel like this blush is so pretty for the days that I just don't want to look like I overdid my makeup. So it kind of just like, I don't know, I like it. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and bronze up my face with the Hoola bronzer from Benefit. I really like their bronzer. I definitely can't skip bronzing because then I don't look chiseled. Then I'm gonna go with this Laura Mercier translucent powder. This one is amazing. I'm just going to go ahead and apply this around my nose and a little bit under the eyes just to kind of brighten it up a little bit. It has like, I don't know what it has in there, but it just makes it a little bit luminous. So I really like this product. And so I did contour my nose, so I am applying this around the nose area to kind of blend the harsh lines out. As you guys can see, I'm like, damn. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and apply a little bit more of that blush just to kind of blend those two lines together. Then I'm just gonna go with a big brush and just kind of blend all that out just to make sure that everything is really nice and blended. So yeah, this is usually the brush that I use to apply my powder. Yeah, then I'm gonna go with my Laura Mercier highlighter. This one is in I don't even know why I showed it was upside down, but yeah, this is a beautiful color. I usually wear this one when like I said, I just want to look a little glowy and all that, so I thought this was perfect for this look. Then I'm gonna go ahead and set it with my Milk Makeup Hydro. This one, I love it. I love it. So real quick, I'm just gonna show you guys just cleaning out my brows. My brows are microbladed. So for me to have like straight brows or anything, I do have to conceal them to kind of give me that straight brows. You guys can see I don't have straight brows, but if I were to conceal, like you guys can see now, it just gives me that straight brow that I am looking for. So that's one thing you got to look out if you ever want to get your brows like microbladed. You know, you got to do all this to kind of change your brows up, because you're kind of permanently changing them. So then I'm just going to go ahead and set that with some translucent powder. Just getting my lids ready for eyeshadow. Then I'm just going to go ahead and use my Too Faced lip plumper. This one I use it just when I feel like I need a little bit of a plumping lip. Since I haven't got my lips retouched in a while, I kind of like to use this in between me getting my lips done and that. I kind of just wear this a little bit to make my lips a little plumpier. And then, you know, whenever I decide to go back, I can definitely just go get my lips done. But we're going to go the cheaper way. Then I'm going with the Hoola bronzer and applying this right onto my crease. Just kind of blending that into my crease just to give me a little bit of color, because I am kind of going for a more neutral kind of makeup look. But I still want to look like I took my time doing this, even though I really didn't. So I'm just going to go ahead and bronze up my crease, and then I'm going to make it as dark as I want it. You can definitely tone it down if you like, but I kind of wanted to have a little bit of that brown smoky without the black shadow, and just kind of line that up a little bit. So then after that, I'm going to go with the lauramercier translucent powder, and I'm just going to clean up my brows a little bit. I am going to apply some mascara just to kind of prep them. You can definitely skip applying lashes, but I definitely should have put the clips where I didn't do lashes, and I just did the mascara. By the way, this mascara, it is from itcosmetics. This is their waterproof mascara. I really love this mascara. Like, the only way I know if I'll like this mascara is when I apply it to my bottom lashes. If my bottom lashes stick out and like you can see them, then that mascara is really good. So as you guys can see, you can definitely see my bottom lashes with this mascara. So this is a good mascara. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and go back and retouch just a little bit, because I kind of wanted to deepen the color a little bit more. All right, after I'm satisfied with that, I'm going to go ahead and move on with lips. I am using a Morphe lip liner and a, what is it, like a liquid lip from Buxom. I'll list the colors down below, and I'm going to go ahead and line my lips a little bit with them. I noticed that they were both almost the same color, so I was like, oh, okay. So after I line up my lips, I go ahead with the Buxom liquid lip, and then just kind of fill it in. As you guys can see, they really like the same color. I was like, oh, that was a mistake. But anyway, so I'm just going to go ahead and do that. Then I'm going to go ahead and apply some lashes. I am using these Kiss lashes. They are so pretty. I'm going to go ahead and apply this one in the style 4 a.m. They're very natural, but damn, they look so pretty. As you guys can see, I'm just going to go ahead and apply those lashes. And this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.